Hi everyone, you might think you know all about your AirPods Pro 3, but there are few settings and habits that many users get wrong, and those mistakes could be just hard in sound quality, noise cancelling, comfort, or even battery life. So here are 5 common mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. Let's start. Mistake number 1 is ignoring the Eartip and fit test. So, if your AirPods don't form a proper acoustic seal, noise cancellation will be weaker and the audio will lack clarity. Use the Eartip fit test to fix it. How to find it? So just open settings at the very beginning. Then in settings find your AirPods Pro. Scroll down and find here test acoustic seal. Insert both earbuds in your ears and just test acoustic seal. It will ask you to change tips if acoustic seal is not okay. Mistake number 2 is not taking care of earwax, dirt and ear hygiene. So even the best settings will not help if earwax or debris is blocking sensors or microphones. Some users reported white noise, hissing or static in ANC transparency mode, and cleaning their ears solved the issue. So wipe the mic, mesh gently, check that nothing blocks the tips, and clean your ears regularly. Here on the AirPods Pro 3 you have really cool ear tips. Let's remove it. As you can see here we have the hygiene grill inside the ear tip, and we have grill on our earbud. So we should clean this grill, and if you will not clean this grill probably several times a week, you will need to clean this one, but this is very difficult and sometimes even danger, because you can just hurt your earbud. So it's very good idea once a week, twice a week, just clean them up or just wash with just soap, and you'll have it in good condition. Don't forget to clean the microphones. You can do that just with isopropyl alcohol and toothbrush. And of course, don't forget about this one. So here, this place should be clean, always clean. You can clean it with isopropyl alcohol and toothbrush too. So it's very important, guys. Okay, mistake number 3 is leaving noise control in the default mode. Many people just use noise cancellation all the time, but that is not always ideal, because AirPods Pro 3 have really several modes. It have 3 modes. So let's talk about them. So open settings on your iPhone. Okay, open settings and let's begin. So here, as you can see, we have transparency mode, adaptive mode, and noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is when you're in noisy environment, in flights, transit, in transport, in bus, in the busy street. But use transparency when you need ambient awareness, for example, street, conversation, and to switch the mode, you don't need to open settings. So I'll show you how to do that. So here we have for example earbuds, right? And by pressing, let's simulate that it's inside the ear, pressing this stick, as you can see, pressing and holding it, you can switch between modes. Okay, I have enabled off listening mode, but if you have it disabled, and when you have second earbud in your ear, by clicking this, you can switch the modes, as you can see. It's very easy to do. Just press and hold this button for about 2, maybe 1.5 seconds, and you will automatically and you will switch the mode. You don't even need to open settings. You can even do that with your control center. So open control center, click on your volume button, and here you have all modes. Okay. So and we have off listening mode. Off listening mode, you should enable it right here. Okay. And what is that? So it's when you are in quiet rooms or using one earbud, it gives you natural, unprocessed sound and can reduce hissing. Also, you can customize the press and hold action to switch only between 2 preferred modes, for example, ANC and off, or to avoid cycling through unwanted ones. To do that, you just should open settings again right here, and as you can see here we have left and right. For example, by clicking left, I don't know, switch between these modes, for example these 3 modes, okay, or for example between these 2 modes. Select the modes you wanna switch between. Okay, move on. Mistake number 5 is overlocking battery and sensor efficiency. So here are a few sub mistakes. So letting volume stay maxed out all the time, that drains battery and stress drivers and your ears too. So first think about your ears, then about earbuds. But number 2 is not disabling heart rate tracking if you don't use it. Its sensors are always active. That might consume extra power. You can toggle it off in the privacy settings for your AirPods. So just open settings right here, and here you'll see the heart rate sensor right here. You can disable it. If you, for example, don't do an exercise in them, so just disable this feature. You don't need it, and you'll just have more extra battery percentage. Okay, and last thing is using the wrong combination. For example, keeping ANC on when you don't need it, for example in quiet room, so it just wastes battery. And that's it, guys. This was 5 things many users get wrong with their AirPods Pro 3, and fixing these can make your audio clearer, your noise cancellation stronger, your battery lasts longer, and your experience with your AirPods just better. So if this video helped you, hit a like and subscribe. Also tell me in comments which mistakes surprised you the most. Let's get into it. See you in the next one.